Okay, this video to me is a little weird. It's a different kind of video. It's about something I was not aware of, didn't know was a concern or an issue until I was watching Shane was Scary If Literal, and he was attempting to explain how Android 12L is installed on your Microsoft Surface Duo devices. I got to thinking, is this really an issue, a concern? And then thinking about it, if you go into settings and you look, it only says Android 12. And yeah, maybe some people had some expectations of 12L that weren't realized. And then they saw the Android 12 part and they're thinking, well, they don't have Android 12L. The expectations part, that's an unrealistic point that people had in mind in what was going to happen with this release. I might address that in another video. But in watching Shane explain it, I thought, well, look, maybe it's best if people just saw the actual version. And I'm going to show you how to do that. See the actual version of Android installed on your device. So give it a look. There are many uses for these device check, device info tools. I've used them in the past to look at the various hardware sensors on the Surface Duo 2 for use with Gcam. Here I'm going to use it just to verify the Android version. And you can see from the dashboard here that it says that this is a Surface Duo 2 and that Android 12L SV2 is installed. The SV2, I believe, is Snow Cone V2, which is what Android 12L is also known as. And as mentioned earlier, Android 12L is also Android 12.1. I'm going to switch over to the System tab so that we can take a look at a little more information that helps to identify the Android version. As you can see here, we've got the Android 12L SV2 along with the API level of 32. API level 32 is Android 12.1 or Android 12L, and API 31 is Android 12. All right, hopefully you found that useful. If this was your first time here, I hope that you saw enough to say, I want to subscribe. Give it a like. Let's help the algorithm so that others may get a chance to see it. Of course, share it and comment. Tell me what you thought and tell me if there's something you'd like to see. And most of all, thanks for watching.